Polygraph is a game created by Desmos.com. In this game, two students are randomly paired together while one chooses one of 16 graphs. The other student needs to ask yes or no questions to slowly eliminate possibilities. The goal of the game is to build students' understanding and use of key vocabulary. Both the student asking the question and the student answering the question need to understand the vocabulary in order to be successful at the game. To make a polygraph activity, you need to go to teacher.desmos.com and sign in. It's usually easiest to sign in using your Google account. And under the Your Activities column, click Custom and find your way to the link that says New Polygraph. Here you'll be presented with the tools to create your own polygraph game. You'll give it a title and start building. Here you'll be able to create all the graphs or images that you'd like your students to use to practice their vocabulary. Here you can see, instead of adding a graph, you can also add an image. This is useful for teachers that don't teach math. Here I'm adding images of basic elements. By clicking the plus button and selecting Image from the drop-down menu, you're then able to select any image you have saved to your computer. On the next screen, you'll fill out the activity's information. This is usually a summary of what students will learn or are expected to know before doing this activity. This helps other teachers who want to use your activity decide whether it's right for their students or not. Some teachers put the content standards that are being tested. Some teachers just write a short description. Remember, if you want other teachers to view your activity, you need to click the Make Activity Public checkbox. Now that we're done, you can share this activity with your students by creating a class code. You can share it by creating a student link, or by going to the dashboard and presenting this to your students via projector. Your students will have to go to student.desmos.com and type in that code. During the activity, you can also anonymize your students' names or pause the activity to have discussions about the vocabulary being used. On the dashboard, keep an eye out for students who are waiting too long for a partner and what vocabulary they're using. To learn more, go to learn.desmos.com. Here you can find tutorials on how to use other people's activities, how to create your own, and how to use their special anonymized and teacher pacing tools. Finally, you and your students can have fun practicing vocabulary.